Hey, what's up guys, Techi here with another video. In this video, I am going to show how you can compress a huge video file into megabytes without losing quality. As you can see, I converted a 9.53 gigabytes video file into a 18.5 megabytes file. You cannot notice a difference. So without further ado, let's get started. First you have to download a software called Handbrake. I will drop the link in the description as well. After downloading, install that software as you install a normal software. After installing, open the program. Today I am going to compress and convert this video file. As you can see, it is 9.53 gigabytes. So drag the video file into the software. Then it will scan it. After scanning, you have to change some settings. From here you can change the video file format. I want to convert to MP4, so I select that. After that, go to Video tab. There, bring the slider to the left. Don't change other settings. After that, give a location to save the compressed video file. Then click on Start Encode. It will compress the video file and it will take some time to do that. After encoding is finished, you will get the compressed video file. As you can see, it is only 18.5 megabytes and it has converted to MP4, which is MP4.